Hi folks, we're back and we continued on with this building, this precast structure. And now here we're looking at the top of foundation level, and we're going to add our footing. So let's look at this in 3D view. So I'm going to just do the isolate. So on the structure, we have wall. This means wall. So I'm going to place a right there and there. So now we can look at this. Let's go in our plan view here. So this is a 36 by 12. Let's beat that up a little bit. So what we can do is we can go, I can do this from a 3D view. I'm gonna just grab this guy. Actually, yep. Well, for now we'll leave it at this size. We have the 36 by 12. Actually, let's change it. So I'm gonna just grab this guy here, edit. I'm going to edit type. I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to just call this, make it a 48. Let's make this 48 by 12. And say OK, and then here you want to change the width to 4 feet. Apply. OK. So there. So I'm going to just take this one and change it. So that's how you would change the size. So I'm going to go and keep going around with this guy. Go with the wall. And then I'm going to select the 48 by 12. And just go select there. Yeah. So this is our footing here. Okay, so now next thing we want to do, go into our top of foundation. And we want to add columns here. So for this, you need to add columns before you do the footings, I think. So I'm going to structure and I'm going to column here. And here I got HSS 12 by 12, and now here you would load them this way. We'd go insert, load family, and here all of your structural framing members. Come on now. So I'll go to structural framing, and that comes out of here, and that is a, okay, we go back in columns, sorry. Go to columns. So we'll hit columns, and these are all our column types: steel, round, hollow sections, steel beams, and whatever. So cancel that, and I'll place this HSS 12 by 12 by 5/8 cents. So I'm going to place one here, right on the center. And now these are, okay, now we've got to change these settings as well. So I'm going to delete this out. So now I'm going to go structure, column. We're going to HSS 12 by 5/8, and so I'm going to go and I'm going to say this is going to be height, and this is height is going to go up to the roof. So I'll place one here. This one they highlight, the two crosshairs highlight, you just place it. Same here. You can automatically place these, but since we only got 4, and we'll place another one here. Okay, so let's look at this in 3D. Get rid of this guy, we don't need him. So there's our column. So now we need footings under here. So these are gonna work the same way. So we're gonna go back to our top of footing level, right at the bottom. And let's look at this in elevation. Okay, so there's our, all right, so go back to top of footing. And here I'm going to go and put an isolated footing here. So this is 72 by, let me see what else we got here. Let's do the 72 by 72, 6 by 6 here. So we're on there. Place one here. So when you see those two columns highlight, that means you got it straight on center. And then one here. Okay. So now there's our foundation coming together here. this in 3D view. So there we have our, now, what I want to do now is we need to get a floor in here. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and finish the framing, and we'll deal with the floor later and the walls. So here, let's go back. Let's go and finish framing. So let's add some steel here. But we need to pull in these walls, so I'm going to turn this on here. I'm going to reload our architectural model. Okay, so there's the architect's model, and these walls we're probably going to need for the support. Okay, I don't know how that came from. Oh, I know where that came from. So I'm going to unload this. Okay. So here I'm going to place this, let's just add these walls for now. I don't know where those beams came from. So here I'm going to go turn this back on. I'm going to just reload. Okay, now, oh, that's stuff from the architect's model. That's what was in the architect's model. So now, what I want to do, I want to grab these. I want to go copy monitor. I want to copy these walls. So I'm going to go to my my collaborate tab, and I want to go copy monitor. I'm going to select the link here, and I want to copy. Let's just see if we can grab all these walls here. So I'm going to go multiple, go crossing, and then I'm going to turn on this filter here. And I just want the walls. Now these walls will be here temporarily for us because we've got walls in the architect's model. So here we go. And then I'm going to join elements, and then I'm going to finish that. So we've got our walls in here now, and I can release this. I don't need that anymore. I'm going to see. Oh, sorry, finish. Okay, now I'm going to unload the architecture here. Now let's go in and place our beams here. So we need a beam going across here. So now I want to go into my structure tab, and I want to pick up the beam. And here we got that's a joist. We want to go with a beam, and I'm going to use this 16 by 26. And here you got to have 3D snapping on here. And I'm going to just go from here to here. And then cancel this. Oops, undo, I'm sorry. So let's go on the roof plan now. Look at this. Turn this. So there's our beam. And I'm going to go now, I want to add this other one up to this wall, and it's going to be connected there. So I'm going to go here and go beam. That point is just in it right there. Okay. And then I can go back, I can do this in this view, or I'm only doing this right here for this view. So I'm going to go beam, snapping on. Actually, let's do it in 3D and do this. Okay, so I'm going to go from here to there. And from there to there. So now we have our, no, that one looks crooked. Something's going on right there. So let me go into my, let's just take this out. Something looks wrong here. So I'm gonna just delete this out. So we're gonna add it in again. But anyway, okay. It's probably better to do this in the roof level, this view right here. So anyway, guys, I'm just putting this together here. Let's see, I'm gonna take this guy right up to there. Let's see what happens with that. And then I'll do another one over here. Because we gotta do some framing. His ceiling's gonna be exposed, I think. So here we go, here to there. Okay, now the next thing we want to do, we want to go and do our framing, and we want to do it from this level. So I'm going to go and I'm going to go to structure, beam system, and then I want to, let me see. I think we want to go this direction. Let me see. All right. Yeah, from there to there we want to go. So I'm going to go beam system. And I want to sketch. Let's go from it. Let's go from the center of this column up to, say, this point here. And our span will be this way. And then I'll finish it. So there's our joist, and then we can copy this guy over, I think, or mirror it. Or I may just do another one here. Let's go here. Beam system. Would love to do automatic. Here. You can make some adjustments here and there. But there we go. There. Spans this direction. Again. Finish that. Go to our 3D view. So we're coming into place. We want to have to fix some things here and here. But this is our roof frame. Back to the roof level. Actually, now I can do this too. I can copy these. I'm gonna just mirror these across when I'm done. So I'm gonna go here, and we can adjust these and manipulate these any way you want once we drop the beam system. So here, I love automatic. Automatic only works with the right type of. Here. I got these at 1 foot radius. No, I don't. Let's see. Okay, do that one. Just do bay by bay, I think. But anyway, guys, I might leave it here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Go this view, WT. So we've got our top of footing there. We've got this elevation, we don't need them. We'll just window tile these and finish with my beam system. And then thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna wrap this one up. And we'll have our entire framing, portal frame building precast. So let me go here, let me just grab these. I can do this now, I can go tab. I think I can do this. And grab that beam system. And I can mirror it across. Yep, you can do this. Just go mirror right off the grid line here. And there you go. Same here, just go select it. You want to mirror this. So I'm not going to bore you guys. I'll finish this up. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this all the time. Everybody be safe. Bye.